When it comes to certain calculation functions, Wrapstyler provides you with two methods: absolute, using millimeters, or relative, using percentages. For example, when remeshing, the precision mode can be absolute or relative. By choosing absolute and giving a value of 15 mm, all triangles in the new mesh will be 15 mm wide, or as close to that value as possible. This option can be interesting to obtain the same triangle size on multiple objects of different dimensions. In this case, we will get a small number of triangles for a small object and a large number of triangles for a large object. This number can even exceed several millions for the largest objects, which can block the calculation process. To avoid this problem, and to obtain a good mesh resolution regardless of the object size, we can use the relative mode. By choosing this mode, with a value of 10% for example, all the triangles obtained will measure 10% of the diagonal dimension of the object. You can find this dimension in the 3D Properties dialog box. It corresponds to the size of the diagonal of the box in which the object is included. The result will then depend on the object's size. Smaller objects will have smaller triangles, and bigger objects, bigger triangles. To avoid distorting the mesh too much, Wrapstyler will automatically limit the size of some triangles, even if a large value, like 20%, is used. When in doubt, it's recommended to use the relative method.